Just to be in a community where everyone is just so focused on having a better relationship with God, that has just been so pivotal for me.
I love EPU and I love the Honors College more than I ever thought possible.
Where are you going right now?
We're headed to the East Campus to experience the Honors College.
I fell in love with EPU because they were one of the only schools that made me feel like I was more than a number, and the Honors College did that really well, especially in my engagement with Curtis.
Being able to experience the colloquy was just amazing, being able to be with a current student, just walking us all through what it'd be like here at APU, and to have these discussions, always bouncing ideas off of each other, having like friendly discussions, but also like disagreeing with each other, but being able to have different perspectives on the same idea.
I think it's interesting coming to like such a high-level institution like this and being able to talk with people that are genuinely curious and are willing to listen to your opinion.
This room represents, out of over 500 qualified applicants from across the country and world, 203 of the finest that have joined us here tonight. Give yourselves a hand. A few details about the group that has joined us here for tonight. 22 international students from countries like Cambodia, Korea, Thailand, and Lebanon.
And I'm thrilled to have the honor of introducing our special guest, Jonathan Rumi.
How you guys feeling this morning? How about that worship band, huh? Oh, yeah. Give it up for Jesus.
Okay, so we just did the Lego Serious Play group session, and it was pretty cool. Yeah. It was like collaborative and talking about leadership.
Yeah, the way that they set it up was interesting, how you start off building something they have planned for you.
Yeah.
And so they're leading you, and then they just take their hands off the steering wheel and let you go.
It's like abstract thinking, and how can we create leadership in a visual way? Yeah. And how does that relate to everyone else's interpretations of leadership? Yeah.
And you put it all together, and then you have to explain how that relates to leadership. And like, it's really interesting to like hear everyone's take from it.
Yeah.
And, like,
because everyone has a different definition of leadership.
Yeah.
I'm an introvert, but after being here, I learned that it's not bad to just go out of your comfort zone and just talk with people.
It was welcoming. I just felt like I belong here, even though I wasn't raised here or lived here for a long time. It just felt like at home.
I learned that there's more to college than I realized. I learned about how personal a class can get, especially here at this school.
And just seeing everyone come together as like, it really is a family here.
College admissions is so scary and can be really stressful, but don't let it be that way. Just take time to like really dig deep and figure out if APU is the place for you. But it'll all pay off and you'll end up exactly where God wants you to be.
So I pray for each and every one of you. May God bless you. May He keep you. May He make His face to shine upon you. And we hope to see you here in the fall.